So with PUBG and Fortnite all around, you must have played at least one of these games on your PC or on your smartphone. And if you still haven't played any of these games yet, then so you must have seen many cheap mice on Amazon for under $1,000. So in this video, let's take a look at a budget gaming mouse, which is the Cosmic Byte Black Star, which is actually worth the price of about 700 rupees. So what's going on, guys? This is Carlton here, and without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So keeping it quite simple, opening the box, you get the mouse itself, a software CD and a user manual. It comes with a braided cable and a USB 2.0 connector. So the design of the mouse is pretty impressive for this price point of about 700 rupees. The outer coating is a non-slip ABS rubber, which is quite grippy. It comes with a 1.5 meter braided cable and a USB 2.0 interface. Mouse looks pretty minimal and it's quite comfortable to hold, and which fits perfectly in your hand. Unlike other cheap mice out there, this mouse actually has some decent weight to it. It has 7 keys in total, that is the left click, right click, the middle mouse scroll wheel, a triple click button at the center, and the button just below the scroll wheel is used to change the DPI, and at the side here we have 2 buttons which is used as forward and backward keys and can be used while browsing and moving through folders. Other features include adjustable DPI from 250 to 2500 DPI, 12,000 frames per second, 1000 Hz polling rate and 30G acceleration. So this mouse comes with a compatible software which allows you to customize settings according to your needs. The software allows you to set your desired DPI in 4 configurations assigned to a particular color, and the color can be changed to over 16 million color options. The mouse can be set to 3 different RGB effects, that is the standard mode, respiration effect and neon glow, and all the keys on the mouse can be mapped to your particular liking. So guys, the only drawback which I could talk about this mouse would be that the cable ends from the USB and the mouse end seem pretty weak and could tear up after some use. So honestly speaking, after 1 month of use, I found no issues with this mouse, and if you want to start gaming, video editing or want to upgrade to a better mouse, I would feel that this mouse is the best under 700 rupees. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Leave a like if you liked the video, dislike it if you didn't, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more video updates. So that's it for today, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, be safe, take care. And while you're here, don't forget to watch my recent videos on this channel.